High-tech explorers. Think about all the decisions made around you every day, from the videos that pop up on your screen to how computers decide who gets a job or a loan. Artificial intelligence is often behind those choices. But have you ever wondered, who teaches a machine to be fair? Today, we're exploring the ethics of AI. Let's find out how we teach machines to do the right thing. Are you ready? Let's go. What is AI ethics? Well, think of it as a set of golden rules for robots and computers. Since AI makes important decisions, ethics helps us ensure those decisions are fair, honest, and respectful. It's all about teaching technology to be a good citizen of our world. The key principles of ethical AI. To keep AI on its best behavior, we follow 5 principles. First, there's fairness, treating everyone equally, no matter who they are or where they live. Second is transparency, making it easy for people to understand how an AI made a choice. Third is accountability. The humans who build the AI must take responsibility for what it does. Fourth is privacy, keeping your name, address, and secrets safe. And finally, human-centered design, making sure AI is always built to help people and make our lives better. Right and wrong in AI. Now, AI isn't perfect. It learns from the data we give it. If that data is unfair or biased, the AI will make unfair choices too. We've seen examples of AI gone wrong, like a job-finding app that only shows the best jobs to men, or photo apps that can't recognize certain skin tones. To fix this, humans have to be the heroes. We must provide fair data, set the right rules, test the AI in the real world, and listen to feedback from real people to improve the system. Protecting your privacy. Privacy is an important part of ethics. You have the right to control your own information. Ethical AI must always ask for your consent, that's your permission, before it records your voice or tracks your location. AI should act like a digital security guard, working 24/7 to keep hackers away from your personal data. The impact of AI on jobs. You might have heard that AI is changing the way we work. It's true. Some repetitive jobs, like filing or factory line work, are disappearing. But wait, new, exciting careers are being born. We now need AI safety officers, AI trainers, AI data labelers, and AI ethics specialists. To be a leader in the future, focus on your human skills, problem solving, teamwork, communication, and digital literacy. These are skills a machine just can't replace. AI and society. AI is like a coin with 2 sides. On the positive side, it can predict floods to save lives and help doctors find illnesses early. On the challenging side, we have to watch out for things like hacking or losing control to machines. It's up to us to make sure the positive side wins. Life with AI. When AI is designed with ethics, it empowers people. Take the story of a village boy from Rajasthan, a 6th grader who used Google's Read Along app to practice his English. Because the AI was encouraging and helpful, the village boy gained so much confidence that he inspired all the other children in his village to start learning too. That is the magic of ethical AI. From protecting your data to helping students learn, ethics ensures that AI remains a force for good. Next time you use a smart app, remember, technology needs a heart just as much as it needs a brain. Thanks for learning with me today. See you next time.